Testimonials for Thailand Diving Pattaya. It's not just the diving that will stick with me after my training with Thailand Diving. The great bunch of people I have met here have made my dive master internship an amazing. I won't be forgetting them and will without a doubt be back to dive more. Phil Denport, PADI Rescue, Denmark. Given the taste for more. When Didier showed me some pictures of the ocean he had seen a few days before, I said if I could see those fish in real life my diving would be perfect. The visibility at Koh Man Vichai in Pattaya was about 15 meters, so it looked promising. Didier showed me lots of nice things. And then the unexpected happened, there was an turtle more than 1 meter long. The diving with Didier was so comfortable and gave me the taste for more, so I signed up for the PADI Adventure Diver course. I went to Romania just to do a dive or two, but my experience with Didier was so fantastic and special that I didn't have to worry about anything. The only thing I had to do was simply diving, and that's what it's all about. Tom Clark, Scotland. Professional and friendly. Thailand Diving gave me my first Asian diving experience and I was delighted with every aspect of it. Professional instruction and a friendly attitude from the staff made this a fantastic day's diving. I can't wait to come back and see the octopus again. Corinne Gala, French. Felt like one of the friends. I have been diving many places in the world, but diving with you was one of the best. Never did I feel more secure. It was nice to know that safety had first priority. Never did I feel that I was pushed over my experience. I always felt that I was just one of the friends and not just a customer. Diving in Thailand can easily compete with more exotic dive sites. I will for sure come back to dive with Thailand Diving again. Add to all that you too, Nock and Didier. George Peter, Brussels, Belgium. Great time diving the wrecks. My son Austin and I had a great time diving the wreck sites off the Thailand Pattaya with you. As my son is a new diver, I really appreciated the care and professionalism you showed in teaching him and giving him a good experience that has encouraged him to become fully certified. If we travel again to Thailand, we will surely look to dive again with Thailand Diving. Mad, England. Friendly and professional. I cannot praise the staff enough. They are all very enthusiastic about scuba and are patient people, encouraging, friendly and helpful. The experience I had at Thailand Diving was one I wouldn't change a thing about. I loved it beginning to end. I hope you seriously consider this diving company. John, Washington, USA. From blennies to scorpion fish, from varied nudibranchs to conger and moray eels. Don't get me started on the great shoals of fish. You could dive in Thailand for a week or more and still want more. Pierre Martin, Canada. Thailand Diving are simply the best. A massive thank you to the Thailand Diving team for a truly awesome 5-star diving experience. Carl, UK. Friend US. Follow US. Like US. Review US.